While many people care about their weight, abdominal obesity seems to be something to be worried about in particular. In fact, in regards to your health, the issue is not how much you weigh, but how much belly fat you have. Excess fat leads to many serious conditions like diabetes, heart attacks, depression, and more. That's why we at Healthy Hacks found some easy hacks to start your morning with that can be really helpful in getting rid of abdominal fat. 1. Don't be in a rush. When you are in a hurry in the morning and you are trying to not be late for work or school, you may feel stressed. The hormone cortisol, which is responsible for the process of stress in the body, will increase. As research shows, it will lead to weight gain in your midsection. So try to go through your morning routine more calmly. 2. Do a mini workout. Exercising is indeed one of the best ways to lose weight, and doing it first thing in the morning can be a good source of energy as well. Moreover, adding some resistance training to your morning workout can help you to reduce belly fat. 3. Have protein and fiber for breakfast. Studies show that eating more protein leads to having less abdominal fat. Be sure to include meat, fish, eggs, and beans in your breakfast. Moreover, another study showed that an increase in fiber intake also has a positive effect on burning belly fat. Flax seeds, broccoli, avocado, etc., are a great source of fiber to include in your meals. 4. Drink water instead of juice. Having juice for breakfast is something that is very common, however, it's not really a healthy habit. Juices are loaded with liquid fructose, and the daily consumption of this can result in the gain of belly fat. Actually, studies show that sugary drinks lead to increased fat in the liver. So it's much healthier to fulfill your need for liquids with water instead of juice. 5. Drink green tea. Even though starting the day with a cup of coffee seems like an integral part of a morning routine, replacing it with green tea can be a good idea. It contains both caffeine and the antioxidant epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Research suggests that EGCG can be really helpful in losing belly fat. 6. Pack your lunch. By doing this, you have more control of your calorie intake throughout the day. When we go out for lunch, we may consume way more than we intended on consuming. But the strategy of controlling what you eat can greatly help you to burn fat. 7. Sleep longer. Studies show that not getting enough sleep results in weight gain, which may include belly fat as well. 8. Walk or bike to your workplace. Cardio exercises are known to be a good way to burn abdominal fat. So consider cycling to your workplace or school, instead of taking a bus or driving, to be more healthy and fit. What tips do you have that can help you to get rid of belly fat? Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that I subscribed and you can see what was going to happen.